three pieces of wire. You got your ground wire, you got your hot wire, and you got this other little piece of wire right here. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna test it to see if it's this relay or if it's an inside relay. So I'm just gonna put this wire on this piece of the relay, and I think my positive, and if it started up, this relay is not my problem, it's the inside relay. So let me put it on the positive wire and see what it gonna do. What's good YouTube, man? This your boy Life Country Boy, and I'm back with another video, y'all. Alright, so the color is down bad, y'all. The colors is down bad. So I'll show y'all what's going on with it, man. Try to start it, and we ain't getting no power, man. We ain't getting no power. So I think it could be my relay. It could be my relay in the inside or my relay on the outside, cause it's not doing nothing, man. I think it's my relay though in the inside, but could be my one on the inside or my one on the outside. But I'm gonna test it to see. You know, I'm gonna show y'all how you supposed to test it. Test the one on the outside, cause I'm not for sure about the one on the inside. But let's go on the outside and see. Test it real quick. I took some of the loose already. Well, I took my battery poster loose earlier, man, cause I thought it could be my battery. And then I took a couple screws out of my relay, because I was like, well, let me go ahead and change my relay out. But I thought about it, like, dang, it's a way I can test this, test the relay and see if this is my problem. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do, how I'm gonna test it to see if it's my relay or not. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna set the camera up real good. We're gonna see. All right, so let me make sure the switch is on first. The car switch on. Yes, so the car switch is on, y'all. So the way I'm gonna do it is, I got me a piece of wire, right? A piece of wire, and I'm gonna show y'all. You got three pieces of wire. You got your ground wire, you got your hot wire, and you got this other little piece of wire right here. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna test it to see if it's this relay or if it's an inside relay. So I'm just gonna put this wire on this piece of the relay, and I think my positive, and if it started up, this relay is not my problem, it's the inside relay. So let me put it on the positive wire and see what it gonna do. So it's not this relay, it's my relay on the inside. So let's go back on the inside real quick to see something. See, it's not doing nothing. It's gotta be the inside relay. So let me take this apart and see if I can get to my relay on the inside, because when I push this button, I can hear the relay trying to like come on, like. So let me try to take this relay out from the inside, and we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna cut the camera off and I'm gonna cut it right back on, guys. Alright guys, so I'm finna need in this little piece right here. That's where I can get to my my other relay. So I'm gonna take these two screws out real quick, and it's supposed to pop itself out. And I noticed earlier when I had went up under my hood, well, I noticed when I got my car back from the mechanic shop, my horn wasn't working, so they had unplugged my horn. But I ended up going back and hooking my horn back up, and now I got it back working like it was. So all right, so that piece came off. So let me see where his relay at. Let's see where his relay at. Relay supposed to be up on here. It could be my relay, it could be a wire. Ain't no goddamn telling me, man. And it's supposed to be like a screw that I can screw this thing off with. Where that damn relay at, man? I got a little relay right here. How do I get them all out? It's all this stuff up in there. Let me get something to cut this with. Alright, so where's that relay at, you guys? Where's this relay? I got a relay right here. I need to get this out the way. This is the thing where the air and heat and stuff come from the bottom. I need to get that out the way. That wasn't like that at first. That wasn't like that at first. Get this out the freaking way. Just to hold it for right now. Alright, so here's my relay. This black piece. So how would we test this? I don't know. But I can feel it, man. I can feel it coming through. Like when I hit it, I can feel it, man. Like ding ding ding. I can feel it. I can feel it. So I don't know if this would be bad if I can feel it or what. I don't know how to test this thing. I don't know how to test this, man. Let me check the wires first, and then I go from there. What's going on? Let me test the wires, cause this is the relay wire. Alright, so where's this going to? Okay. Is this wire got a short in it or something? I don't know why I got a short in it or something. And what the hell is it going to up under here? Where is it going to? So, I don't know, man. I guess this little wire or something, man. I unplugged it and plugged it back up, and it fires straight up. I'm gonna have to find another better way to connect this stuff, man, if you're gonna be doing that. But, guys, I guess, I don't know. I unplugged it and plugged this little wire back up, and it started right up. I don't know if I need to get a new box or what. So y'all, let me cut y'all off and cut y'all right back on. That motherfucker firing up on the dime. I unplugged this wire and I plugged it back up. I know I can't be going nowhere and shit doing this, man. So what I need to do? cranking up on down now. It's good now, guys. I'm finna scroll this stuff back up and get it real nice and neat, man, and tape it up real good. And shit, I think she alright now. If I have any more problems, just gonna change the whole thing out. Just gonna change the whole thing out. Whole entire thing. So yeah, y'all so I got that thing flushed in now, man. Got it flushed. Everything should be working good and ready now. Let's see. So we're finna take the thing for a spin, man. Take it for a spin. Finna go get something to eat. It's probably like 30 minutes away. Just put it on the road and see what she gonna do, man. You never know what you got until you test it out. You feel me? You never know what you got until you test it out. So I'm gonna put it on the road, man. About 30 minutes up the street. So you gonna see what she gonna do, man. I'll tap back in with y'all once we get there. So yeah, y'all hold tight. She's doing pretty good right now. Tip staying where it's supposed to stay at. I'm checking everything, man, as I drive, as I go. So yeah, I'll tap back in with y'all, man, once I get downtown. Alright guys, so we just made it to the place downtown, man. They got several of these little trailers things set up out here, man. They got some good food. I heard probably like 6 of them out here. There's some good food out here, man. Real good food. So I'm gonna go out here and try to find out something good to eat. And then I'm gonna tap back in with y'all, man. But Cutlass did pretty good. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna cut the camera off and cut it right back on. So yeah. Alright guys, so we leaving the spot, man, from eating. We can crank this thing up, man, get on the road.
Sure, you and your family need for as little as $1 per month.
Fire the thing up, man, get back on the road, man. Hey, whatever y'all do, man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Come subscribe to the channel, man. Let's go up. Let's go up together. It's a build, so it's a slow build. But I'm gonna definitely be getting a paint job and getting the rims put on here, man, and my interior done. It just take time, you feel me? It take time. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, man. We out like last year. Let's go.